Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Monday, May 18th, 2009. This morning I'd like to go through something very simple. It's image compression. It turns out that one thing you can do is you can take an image and compress it down in size and still launch that with the standard VM. And why is this useful? Well, say you're putting an application that you want to be downloaded by people on your website and you'd like to minimize the amount of time it takes them to get the application down to their system. Well, what you can do is this. Go to System, Parcel Manager, and then you bring this into the view here. Let's go to Application Development, Image Compression. Load that. Now once that's loaded, what you'll notice is that on the File menu, there is this new option, Compress Image File. And you give it an input image, and you see I missed the T there, so let's put team. Then give it an output image name. And this is an existing image. It doesn't have to be the one you're running. It can be any image. So one thing you can do is you can script this so that when you built your deployment image, say, you can bring up an image through a script, have it compress your image for you, and then quit. So let's do this and just take a look at what it produces. Okay, so once that's finished, what I want to do is bring this into the view. Let's do an ls-l on team star. And you see here, Team GZ is 7 meg as opposed to Team IM, which is almost 17. So it drops it down by about 9, almost 10 megabytes. So that's a pretty big change. Now let's see what the code looks like behind that. If I go to this little workspace, you'll find that I've found the code that does this. Object memory, compress image file, colon, 2 colon, and then the results 2. And this is the reporting block that drops this information up here into the transcript. And you can see that the reporting is not entirely accurate. So it thinks that the output image file is 0 size. So that's kind of useless. But this is the format. That's a bug that I suppose I should report to engineering. In any case, this is the thing that works here. And to find that, all you really need to do is go to the browser and then scroll down to image compress. So right here. And you find an object memory. If you go to the class side, you'll find there's one method implemented, and here it is. And to figure out what kind of block this is, all I really did is go here, go to senders, and you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm doing the senders of this one method. And there you go. You see that I scroll in here, and I find the block that it sends in down here towards the bottom. So there it is, takes 4 arguments. So that's really all there is to it. So you can either do this straight inside your image from the file menu, or you can script it from a Smalltalk piece of code that you could use in a deployment build. And I do this now in Bottom Feeder to build up compressed images. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.